Good Monday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather on Monday, June the 22nd, 2026. Taking a look at your evening weather blog. Starting off with current conditions, a lot better view in the Prescott, Arkansas area compared to what we had earlier today. You can see mostly sunny skies. Temperatures at 92 degrees there currently. Trends will continue to kind of have a mix of clouds and some sun as we go throughout the rest of the evening. Some rain chances could be in store, though, for the future. We'll keep an eye on that, though. Looking at current radar, we are beginning to see some scattered showers and storms along the Arkansas-Louisiana border. This could continue to increase as we go throughout the day or throughout the rest of the evening and night tonight. Looking at trends and model data, we continue to see maybe some flash flooding being a possibility, as there is a flood watch in effect for portions of southwest Arkansas, and I will turn that on here in just a moment here, but once again, there is that flash flood watch or flood watch in effect for a few counties across southern Arkansas, across the region. So we'll keep an eye on that, though, for you. We'll keep a close eye on those chances of flash flooding overnight tonight. So just stay weather aware, be on the lookout for that being a possibility across the region as we go through the overnight hours. I can't seem to get the watches to pull up correctly, but there is a flood watch in effect down here across Hempstead, Little River, Miller, Lafayette, Columbia, and Union counties down here, this general area down here for later on potentially tonight. Taking a look at the latest HRRR model, we can see according to this, which when we put this in motion around 7 p.m., it's not doing a great job. Model data doesn't do great with this, but the general idea is more storms will form through the overnight hour or through the evening and overnight hours and kind of trail over these same areas right there along the Arkansas-Louisiana border. Overnight, there is about 4 a.m. into tomorrow morning, and we'll have to watch that closely as we go into that time frame. Then when we look further out into the future, though, we see maybe some more hit-or-miss thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, but our next round of severe weather could move in with a line of storms potentially, or just some more clusters potentially. This is new model data that I'm seeing for the first time. Maybe not as impressive, but we'll watch that closely. You can see overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning, a system moves through, kind of like what we just had today. We'll have to see what all it entails. If you remember me saying it correctly, data doesn't do a great job with these type of MCS systems and stuff of that nature, just because there's a little bit of unpredictability there timing-wise, so we'll have to watch that closely. General idea is, though, we're going to see another round of storms in the overnight hours Tuesday into Wednesday, and potentially, again, some more Wednesday afternoon, or some more storms Wednesday there as well. Through this time frame, you can see some higher rain totals be possible down here along the Arkansas-Louisiana border. You can see that general area there. So some flash flooding will be a possibility. We'll keep an eye on that, though, as we go into the overnight time frame. Current temperatures as of 7 p.m. range from the lower to upper 80s, 89 in Hope as this last updated, 82 in Mena, supposedly on this observation. We know it's 92 still, though, in the Prescott area. So once again, these are just a little off compared to where they should be. Heat index values, though, still hot and humid, though. It's still in the hundreds across the region. And this is another thing we're going to look at, this Theta E values, and you kind of see there's just a little more moisture right down there along the Arkansas-Louisiana border. Sorry about that, guys. We're going to continue to watch that closely, because what that shows us is there's just a good chance for maybe some heavier rainfall later on tonight in that area along a boundary that's set up there in those areas. Looking into the future, though, let's take another look back at the European model for the upcoming time frame as well, or just through this weekend or through the week as well. Those rain chances again. Overnight Tuesday and then into Wednesday, some more rain chances there. Some more hit-or-miss showers, another chance on Thursday potentially, and then we kind of dry out some towards the end of the week. Maybe some smaller chances over the weekend, but not a whole lot's expected, as you can see there. So some drying, maybe some hit-or-miss showers as we go into next week as well, heading towards 4th of July, but we'll watch that closely. there as well. Taking a look at the 6-day forecast from the 23rd through the 28th. For Tuesday, some scattered thunderstorms will be possible, mainly some storms overnight. Can't rule out a hit or miss thunderstorm during the afternoon tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies with highs in the lower 90s and overnight lows in the 60s. 40% chance of some scattered thunderstorms. 30% chance on Wednesday. Mostly cloudy skies. Highs in the upper 80s. Overnight lows around 70. Partly cloudy skies on Thursday. 20% chance of rain. Highs in the lower 90s. Overnight lows in the lower 70s. Mostly sunny through Friday and Sunday. Highs in the mid 90s. Potentially, and overnight lows in the 70s there as well. So we don't have rain chances in store for that time frame yet, but they could be introduced if we continue to see some trends of maybe some pop-up storms, stuff of that nature. So we'll watch that closely. Although right now the main focus is on Tuesday and Wednesday with those rain chances, better rain chances, and some heavy rainfall chances overnight tonight into Tuesday morning as well. Big thanks as always to all of our sponsors for making this possible: the Grease Gorilla, Patterson's Credit Union, J&S Auto Supply, Bumper to Bumper, Elite Tree Service, Landmark Insurance Agency, Palmer's Roofing as well. All them great businesses there. Give them a call, or contact them at their numbers and websites and Facebook pages there that you see on your screen there if you're in need of any of the things that they provide. As well as if you're interested in if you own a business or interested in joining the sponsorship team, or want to help us grow our Skycam network, feel free to contact us. We are continuing to try to grow that network of cameras across the region to help us better with severe weather coverage and stuff of that nature. We were able to watch these severe storms that moved through today on that Prescott camera when we couldn't see those before in those areas. So feel free to contact us at that email address right there, southwestarkansasweather@gmail.com. Have a great rest of your Monday evening. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.